Zimbabwe is once again being asked to swallow a constitutional scandal dressed up as governance. CAB3 is neither about the people, their needs and aspirations, nor about democracy, stability or national interest. It is about a ruling elite trying to lock in power, silence resistance, and normalize state capture through legal camouflage. Sarabena mashkubdani kwa pango wanachinzi power grab in illegal clothing. Chivhayo and Temba just confirmed CAB3 is not reform but theft in a suit. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tell time people like since at the center on the latest disagree is weak not Chivhayo, a man whose brand of generosity has become inseparable from EDC, inner circle, and its political theater. When a businessman publicly dangles cash and a vehicle in front of a sitting MP during a live constitutional battle, that is not philanthropy. It is inducement by another name, and it insults every citizen who still believes laws should be debated on merit, not measured with money. Enter Tungwarara and enter Temba, the de facto firefighter of the brigade Politburo. Just like the system and the elite he represents, their outrage is selective. They are not angry because inducement exists. They are angry because it was made public. The real problem for them is not corruption itself, but the corruption seen by the masses, Sadc region, Africa, and the wider international community. Let us be honest, and I repeat, CAB3 has never been a people-driven project. It has all the fingerprints of an elite operation cooked up in a closed circles, messaged through party structures, sold to cabinet, then pushed into parliament under the illusion of consultation. The people were invited to speak only after the script had already been written. This is how ED utilizes the longevity in both party and government, manufacture the outcome first, then stage a public process to decorate it. What a shame. Doma developments are kudapangwa ile anaodzima constitutional amendments. In the comment section, videos of your aim to consider which it. So subscribe or like, point on the bell icon.